Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. So you don't know the thing of my people. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, we're going to talk about dancehall entertainer squash, my people, because you don't know, most people must hear the breaking news pertaining to squash, my people, and his recent arrest for them say go on over there in Florida, my people, and on a real level, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. It's not a good look for the entertainer, my people. Not a good look, because this is a big thing, my people. Big thing. You understand? For no one said the artist squash my people and yo, but I'm going to go into something we can go on right now for squash my people. Basically, cause as pertaining to what them say my people, Zine, them say the artist was recently taken into custody for overstay. Him stay in Florida, my people. And you don't know, so recently, the governor of Florida, my people, Ron DeSantis, he put in a new rule, my people. You understand? With the Senate bill and we have a clamp down on illegal immigrants. Wicked over there. Wicked. So when illegal immigrants over Florida, they'd have it more easier. My people, things get rough upon them. Things get tight upon them. No joke. And this is why squash now basically ice running upon them, my people. Zine. So he's in custody now, my people. And it custody way in them say Chrome Detention Center over in Miami, people. Him overstay him time in Florida, Zine. And if Scratch now have no green card, my people, him now no citizenship or nothing, because what them say is a work permit thing him depend, you know. Work permit visa. So you know, so you got do your show them, do your work, cut back out of them country. And Squash, if him really breach that, my people, you know, say when them do them thing, them track you and them watch and people leak and talk this by my people and them boom. So if Squash knows him really and truly, my people, he might do over in time. You know what I mean? Wish, me no know. Them have him wish. He's an entertainer. Him fly go a couple of Caribbean country. So if him stays above my people and him can prove say yo, cause I think we have this, I don't know how long the work permit thing lasts. I know about a regular traveling visa. You understand? Cause you have different type of visa, my people. I know say with the traveling one, we like when we get for 5 year and 10 year, we go vacate upon around 2 year, my people. I know so that one day then we give like 6 months. You can do like 6 months over there. You understand? And then you can fly back out. And if you breach over that 6 month thing there, then you can in a big trouble with them. Block your friend them country and take away what the visa they with them give my people. Zine. So for the work permit thing now, my people, me don't know that part they go or how long them do it, my people. But when me I say now, my viewers and subscribers, if Squash himself knows say yo, him do breach the thing, you know, and him go over and thing, boy dog I go nyam him supper the real way, you know, my people. Things are got tight upon him, you know. You understand? Because basically them are go dip him. You know what I mean? And them are go get black from them thing for a while. And the market there got damage my people, because you know say most of Squash show them where man get my people and him works them over in the United States of America. You understand? From different state to state. And them the work they mostly I get my people. And you know what go on with Squash now? Remember, you know, my people. Well, if I look a few, they'd go on and yes, a couple of man get slapped where and them hold on pan this man and them hold on pan that them and them I say, yo, they want to affiliate with Squash, and other people I say a Squash thing them a forward from. Well, if a thing go on. And then with the day river before when I'm promoter say, yo, Squash take your money and a perform and this. So basically you have a lot of enemy over them people. You understand? And when you have enemy in a place, man will leak things by you. Man will, you know what I mean? Man will do them things people for try drain or for try damage you. And you don't know the Squash is a man now, people. He want to stay away from yard. Because when him do a yard, him see a big trouble come him way, a big trouble forward him way, my people. So he want to stay away. That's why they see him over there and him base over Florida for a while. But as me I say, we know there's a man who traveling in the Caribbean, different parts, and got to show same way time to time. So I don't know how long them give him where him can forward in the place and cut back up my people with the work permit thing. And if him can have proof and show him passport. So look at the man, me traveling back and forth. Me not live over here, so you understand. But that me I say me don't know how long period them give him where him can in the place without traveling back and forth, and how long he was there up to the time from him there to the time when them arrest him, my people. Because upon a real level, people, me don't want nothing bad happen to the entertainer. You understand? And really and truly, I see him try avoid Jamaica because I say, yo, them want him and police are try set him up and a bag of something, my people. So, for really and truly, me don't want him forward back down there. You know what I mean? I want him there somewhere where he's safe because if squashing himself, people, no say him not pre-badness. Him not set up man, no man for dead, my people, and him a real life. You know what I mean? He have a couple brother will drop out and we see him having younger brothers, Bobby 6, where him drop on foot with my people over there in Florida, see him here. And if my pre-elevation, do music and make money, you understand, drop the pass of badness and them thing, the gang affiliation and them thing, my people, and him decide to say, yo, a music, me say, means a different type of person, people. I want the best for him. I want him to come to boom and whatever happen, them can fix him so him can get him. You know what I mean? Him thing over there in the US for people. But if you know that something go on or where y'all look and say him can deported and send back to Jamaica and them thing, the wish me know him try avoid upon a real level, yo, it's not a good look. You know what I mean? It's not a good look. So I just pray say everything good for the artist. You understand? And him great with everything, meaning him file no bad, you know what I mean, and certain things, because you know here's the people and a whole heap of things start about him. Plenty things of people. You see people go up on live and them say this and yeah, you know what I mean, whole heap of things. Some of us hope say everything good with them record and everything. Them not have nothing upon him we can say, yo, we have been charging for this, or you know what I mean, for affiliate with these type of men who involved in this and involved in that, and everything good with people. Because he's a great artist, talented artist, musical of people, and we have seen the works them put in over the years and things with people. Try for bring up the 6 crew and bring a lot of artists under and belt, you know what I mean, talk about Chronic Law, Daddy One, just to mention a few. There's a lot more my people, Franco, Wildlife, and the whole of them, you know what I mean, talented artists them have on their belt, and a lot of these artists, basically all of them look up to him. So what me I do, people, is just wish him all the best and hope him can mash up this thing, my people, and beat this thing and whatever happen, you know what I mean, and even if him not get to mash it up the way where he that want to mash it up, my people, you understand? Because for a real level, my people, for any man, you understand, not just saying an entertainer, but for anybody who get the chance to overseas and thing, my people. And what I mean, I say, you go there for better your life, better take care of your family, you understand, because the real is a life that you know, my people. You know, go there for inner badness and affiliate with gangs and other ranks. Because if you go a foreign, you know, my people, I tell you the truth, you know. And you mix up yourself in a gang and wrongdoings and them thing them, and I mean, man, you deserve to get shipped out and cracked down and fling back one, and not even in Jamaica, you go fling out in the sea somewhere, you know. But if you know, so you go there now for better your life and better your family, them people, and be a better person and make some money, you understand, and build up yourself, then, I mean, we don't want nothing about that to you, man. Man, a real level, we don't want nothing about that to you, so if you squash things on my people, we just have to wish him all the best, and you don't know the thing on my people, I just more love and more blessings and more respect, and thank you all for the love and for the support, and you don't know, one team, one dream, one scheme, and just wish the artist the best. Peace out, my people. Blessings. Big up every time. Some people take care. Go on. 6 bars there, go on. There. You know the thing going on, man. Just keep it. Big up yourself in a Vibes Cartel anyway, and I really there. You hear that? 6.